Gising yan.
Yukiyo! Hi!
Lapit!
Ganda ng mata ni Cap.
Maganda buhok.
Hello YouTube friends and family. So today is another Philippine vlog. Today is January 7, 2025, and I have this place that I really wanted to visit before going back to California. So we made sure that before leaving we made plan on visiting this place, and as you can see, we're heading to the Divisoria, Manila. So we catch the bus at crossing Malolos, and then from there we have to wait for probably 20 minutes to take off because we're waiting for more passengers. And this is how we do the public transport from Malolos to the Divisoria. It was fun because I got my sister and my nieces with me, and this is one of the best memory or my favorite time while I was in the Philippines. Alright, so hope you guys are gonna have fun or enjoy watching this video. Pesos. Tama ba? 80 pesos. Bicol.
Dapat di sasabihin ako sa'yo. Alam mo ba nakasakay na ako dyan? Gawin nila.
Hala!
Hanggang ano. Ano yung tinatawag? Starts with the letter T.
Punta na tayong Bicol, Ate Milot. Bicol. Oo. Divisoria. Ito ang mga memories.
Divisoria
have changed a lot.
Because
In the Philippines, there's a online shopping called Shopee and Lazada. So people are getting used to online shopping instead of going to the mall or going to the Divisoria
Only in the
to
Philippines.
buy items.
Like ano siya?
And as you can see guys, it's not as festive anymore because before when you entered the Tutuban Mall, there was a lot of vendors, there was a lot of food places, but now it totally changed. Look at guys, all of these stores have closed, and even the cute carnival is almost like dead. I kinda miss the old Divisoria feels. That was good. And, at the same time, there was a lot of stuff to buy on the side road, on the street.
Wow, ang aliwalas. Walang tao.
Yeah, just like what I've said.
Ano,
Because of
nakakapanibago.
the online shopping, people are not used to going to the Divisoria anymore. So, guys, this is how it looks like inside the Tutuban Mall. It's not crowded at all. Before, you cannot even move walking to this mall.
Okay, nakasale sila eh.
And you have to be very careful. Taking care of your bags and wallet. But now this time, like, you feel more safe.
Karaoke time. Dati ano to eh, bilihan ng mga... Wala ko yung isa, tinawag.
Okay, uusad na tayo. Ramones. Let's go to Bench Store. This is one of my favorite colognes. When I was in college, this is the brand I was using. This Bench cologne. We're heading out to Binondo right now. We just decided to walk from Tutuban Mall to Binondo, which is like a mile walk. So it's not that far, guys. And of course, since we're here in Divisoria, we cannot miss this street food. We love the squid balls. That's why right now we're kind of enjoying this moment, enjoying the street food and the Tutuban vibes, the Divisoria vibe with my girls. I love this moment so much. You know, guys, we're so simple. This is just simple street food, but you know, the bonding that we had was priceless.
Nag-hit yung ano niya. Happy ka na lang.
Antay kuya, temper glass, 50 nakalagay. Antay kuya, temper glass, 50.
Ang ganda.
Case 50 lang libre palagay. Ma'am sir, 10 per case 50 lang libre palagay. Ma'am sir, 10 per case 50 lang libre palagay. Ma'am sir, 10 per case 50 na kayo, 50 lang, libre na palagay. Hi ate, kuya, pa-10 per na kayo, 50 lang. Hi ate.
Biryani. Naiba na yung ano nila, ano. Mga kainan. Babayad na ng pwesto yung mga Oh. Sarap naman ang pahingahan niya.
Kaya first time ka?
Nakakita ko lang ito sa vlog eh. Ngayon na andin na ako.
Oops, by the way, we stopped by at 168 Mall and 999 Mall here in the Divisoria. We kind of wanted to see what we could find here, and so far we did find some gems here. And
Sa ano yata? 999
of course. And yeah, just kind of feeling time frame or target.
At saka yung
What
pink
time
maganda
to
din.
get to Binondo. Look at the dress here in the Divisoria Mall. They're so fancy. And we found this
Alam ko na yung mga ano yung
for the
sa'yo ngayon.
chocolates store here in 999 Mall. Or I'm not sure, maybe it's the 168.
Ay, oo, cute.
So this is how it looks like, guys. If you were in Bangkok, you have the market. And if you're here in Manila, this is kind of market or mall that you can visit. Just go to the Divisoria and you'll get anything or everything you want. You want to buy.
Western, okay. Magkakasal siya. Pakasal ulit tayo. Sa dulo daw eh, sa dulo. Pag sinabing sa dulo eh, di... JRS. Guys, papatahi ka pa, di ba pa? And more, wait, there's more. Lara Mikael. Kinabahan ako dito. May mga ano dito, baunan. Jar. Baunan. Ang ganda. Mga 40 pa yung papakasal. Gagayahin ako.
Anong taong ka ba kayo nasa?
35. Di ba nandito tayo kanina? Chocolate. Mapapagalit na kami nito ni ano.
Napapayat na ka.
Tingnan mo nga. Chiron.
Since we are heading to Binondo, we just decided to grab some snacks because we don't want to get too full. We're planning on eating some at Binondo. mag-selfie. Mag-selfie ka dapat sa Chinatown. What the fuck? Uncle's Fishbowl. Jacob. Nag-ano sila doon, nag-iihaw. Nag-i-smoke. Nakita mo yung malaki nilang smoker sa smoke. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya niluluto nila doon? Oo nga. May free blanket pa oh. Tingnan mo yung pusa. Nahulog sa kanal. What's up? Oo. Yung pinaka-entrance, di ba may, ayun, church, di ba, pumunta tayo doon. Oh, daming riders. Tasty bread. Smile pa.
Huwag lang duck.
Ayan yung hopia oh. May mga food din. Ayun ay si Ulan.
Our first plan was to eat in this food place, but the line was too long, so we decided to move to a different restaurant. And we walked from this food place to another place while it was pouring.
Laki ng ano.
Hard, the rain was pouring.
Yan. Cauliflower, 50 tumpok. Mura? Mura o mahal? Mura. Kami po'y naulan.
May kanal.
cut off.
Finally, we can sit and enjoy our food while it's raining.
Pero sa rating, alin yung mas ano? Hindi nyo na to.
I forgot the name of this soup. This is one of their best food to order. And then we had a cup of coffee. Did we like our food? It's okay, but I think next time I'm gonna we're gonna go to a different place.
Ayun, picture. Kami kumain. Mamaya na lang yung food review. Parang nag-ais sila lang. Nakakatawa yung mga pusa eh. Sabi ko sige. Kala ko siya yung sumasagot eh. Sabi lang. Garfield. Alan, sumadaro. Okay. Yan yung rice, di ba? Okay. Nandaan, may tangulong. Yung bitin. Gusto niyo bang biling hopya? Hopya, bibili ba tayong hopya? Ay, wait. Kumukan siya.
And the reason why we came here all the way from Malolos to Binondo is to try this famous egg tart in Binondo. Okay, so this is the place where you can get the egg tart. It's really a small place. See the prices. So we only bought a few pieces just to try them.
Hello, wait. Mas maganda siya pag paggabi. Wala, babalik daw, babalik. Ngayon pa kayo, meron pa din pila. Baka yung kape nila ganun din. Yan yung malaki. May ano pa sila, second floor. Oo. Ba't pinagdalawa pa nila? Ano? Ito merong ano, mga milkshake. Milk tea. Magdasal tayo. Bye-bye, Binondo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mamaya na, stop na lang.
Land before. Sana all may kayak, may kaakbay.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Ayun, ganun pag nag-drive yan.
Pareho kami. Kasi time naman pag pinahihit na yung brake, kaso ni tinatapakan ko.
Nakakabali kaya yun. Maganda ano tayo.
Pero matyaga siyang drive, matyaga siyang magturo.
Opo. Mas maganda na yan dun sa...
Ganun lang din, ano, parang divisora pero mas ano,
Ano ko gusto? Ayaw ko yun sa aga. Ayaw lang. Doon. Wala na po ay bigyan.
ang ganda naman ng background.
Maglalakad din tayo papunta dun sa...
Harapin mo.
Hindi, kesa tayo may katabi natin.
Ganun. Jacob. Sa atin.
Since we have an hour to explore the Divisoria Mall, we stop by again on our way to catch the bus ride or the last trip of our bus ride to Malolos. Time check, it's probably 6:30 in the evening, so we have an hour to get to the bus station.
Gagamitin mo ba yun? Doon tayo, doon. Ngayon, Tutuban Mall. Wala na yung food court, diba? Papasok ba kayo? Oh. Hindi pa siya puno. Sosyal. Ano? Nakahabol tayo? Last trip na to? Pwede naman. O gusto nyo dun? Ay,